So this is my Ford Fiesta. It got parked up before Christmas, didn't miss a beat, went to start it, presumed it ran out of fuel. We changed the ECU. Easy start, it was fine. Sparked, the injectors weren't firing up. The only way I got it to fire up, I bridged this relay. That's why it's in bits, and it fired up just enough just to move it around. So I thought, man, it must be ECU. Anyway, the tiniest wire, basically, in a nutshell, if you find the top lead for the ECU, there's a security bolt on these, but your ECU will, it was nothing wrong with the ECU. Look, that's a brand new one, nothing wrong, that can go back. Followed the loom, where it bent, and I saw the tiniest bit of green dust. I'll show you now. Tiniest. See that there where my thumb is? Looked at the wire, there's nothing wrong with it. You can just see that one. Fell apart, joined it up, disconnected the battery, reconnected it all, fired up. So it took me 2 months to figure it out. But this short video will save you hours and hours of time. Just for me doing it.